Do you want to learn how people are making hundreds of dollars a day using their Facebook accounts for free? It's called Dropshipping to Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace started out as a garage sales site like Craigslist. Now it's more like an eBay. People are reselling items on the platform and making hundreds of dollars. They're marking up stuff up to 40% markups and making a good chunk of change. What they're doing is called retail arbitrage. They're buying from a retail store. The retail stores are buying from wholesale stores at a wholesale price and selling at a retail price. These people that do drop shipping to Facebook Marketplace, they buy from retail stores. They have to pay taxes, and then they sell for 40% higher on another site. That's drop shipping. Now, the key to this is when someone buys your item from, let's say, Facebook Marketplace, someone buys the item from you, you don't have the item, you don't have to, all you have to do is go to the site where you get it from, pay for it with the money they just gave you, and then put in their address so it gets shipped to them, and you don't have to ever touch the stuff. I don't touch the stuff, okay? So that's drop shipping. So you place an ad somewhere, you promote something, another person's product, someone buys it from you at a higher price. You take that money, you go to the original retail store, and you buy the item with the money they gave you, and then you're going to ship it straight to them, not to you, okay? And then, is this legal? Well, eBay, people have been doing it on eBay and Amazon and Facebook for the longest time. Walmart as well. So people buy from one of these platforms, Walmart, Amazon, Home Depot's another place where they buy from, and they place ads on eBay, Mercari, Craigslist, okay, and now Facebook Marketplace, and they place their ads on there, and when people buy them, it's the drop shipping method where they go pay for it and have it shipped directly to the customer, and they never have to touch the item themselves, okay? So why would they pay more for a product, right? It sounds ridiculous. Who's going to pay 40% more for something? Well, people do, and it's incredible how people shop. Some people don't shop, some people don't compare, some people impulse buy, and so the biggest complaint is that when they get the package, there's going to be a bill inside, a receipt. It's going to say how much you paid for it, and it's going to be less, right? So what you do is when you pay for the item on the website and you go to the cart, you go to your shopping cart, you put down that it's a gift, and then it gets sent without the receipt. Okay, so that's a very simple way around that, and no excuses here. We're gonna work our way around every obstacle. Okay. What about the box? So people are going to say they're going to get an Amazon box and know it came from Amazon. Well, no, not really, because eBay and these other second-hand platforms, people are used to getting second-hand boxes. Okay, so people aren't professionals. They got whatever box is laying around their house, and they're going to use that box. So it could very well come, from an Amazon box or a Walmart box or a Home Depot box or whatever. Okay, so that's no excuse either. Smash that like button. Can anybody do this? Anybody can do this. A high school kid can do this. It's very simple to do, and especially now with Facebook Marketplace. With drop shipping, I don't know if you ever heard of Shopify. Shopify stores was drop shipping, where you would buy stuff from China and have it shipped from China, drop shipped. But it costs money. It costs money to have a store. And eBay, it costs money to have a store. And Facebook Marketplace, it doesn't cost any money to get started. They're going to charge you a 5% fee on everything that you sell, but you're going to charge 40% higher. So between your taxes, you got to pay taxes. You're going to a retail store, so you pay taxes, 7%, rounded around 7%, and then 5% for your Facebook Marketplace fee that they're going to take out when you sell an item. So that's 12%. They're going to take out. You're going to charge 40% more for your items to make up for it. Okay. A really cool thing about doing this too with Facebook Marketplace is you can hire what's called a VA, a virtual assistant, someone in the Philippines that works for maybe $5 an hour, and you can have them list items for you and fulfill orders for you. And you could just be the manager or the boss, and then you can hire people to do things for you. And pretty much hands-off passive income once you get them trained on how to list items. And how do you list items? Well, you're gonna what's called snipe. You're gonna snipe other drop shippers. You're gonna find other drop shippers, find items that they're being successful selling, and you're gonna sell the same things. And that's how you do it. And is it oversaturated? It's very early. The shipping option to Facebook Marketplace only just happened in 2021. So it's pretty early in it, and not everybody has the option, the shipping option. Not everybody that has a Facebook account has the shipping option. So it's still in its infancy, and it's beta testing, and Facebook is going to pay you to your PayPal or your bank account 5 days after the tracking number that you put in for the item that you shipped. 5 days after that gets delivered, you're going to get your money. So there is a waiting period, so you do have to put out a little money. You're going to put out some, but it's there. You're not really, you're just laying it out for a matter of a week, and then you'll have your money back. One of the ways people increase their income doing this method is they get a 5% cash back card from either Walmart, Home Depot, or wherever, or even just a regular, MasterCard or Visa that has a 5% cash back or a 5%, some kind of something back, promotion. So you're getting something because you're going to be spending hundreds of dollars in these stores. You're going to want to get the kickbacks that they have. They have kickbacks. They have clubs that you can join. Every store has their club with perks, and so you join those to get the perks, and you're going to be spending a lot of money in these stores. So this is something that you can get started slowly as a good side hustle. Like I said, anybody can do it from age 12 to age 60, and it's something that you can do. You're going to learn to list a couple of items a day and fulfill some orders. After it's volume, it's a numbers game. Once you have a bunch of stuff, and this is another good point for Facebook Marketplace. They don't have fees. It's unlimited amount that you have. Where if you do this on eBay or other marketplaces, there's a limit, and so right now Facebook doesn't have a limit. Okay, FBM Fox is a software that'll help you get started. It'll help you list things. It keeps track of your items. Another problem with drop shipping is if prices change, you can get stuck holding the bag. If prices suddenly go up and they buy something at the price that you had it at, you're gonna lose money. So these softwares track the items for you and adjust the prices and out of stocks. So if something goes out of stock, they mark it out of stock in the software. And the FBM Fox has a free trial, and it's the first 50 listings are free. Okay, so FBM Fox, click the link in the description. The first 50 listings are free, and it's going to track your package. It's going to track your items. So there's for pricing and for out of stock. So you don't want that to happen. Okay, I started drop shipping in 2010 on eBay, doing stuff from Amazon, so selling from Amazon to eBay, and it worked really well for a while. And I got away from it because there was all kinds of bans and stuff. They didn't like people shipping from different addresses than their address. That was how they figured out you were drop shipping, and they didn't like it. So, but Facebook Marketplace has no rules, no restrictions at the moment for that. You can definitely drop ship, and it's perfectly legal. You can buy something and resell it, and that's perfectly legal. If you have a question, I'd appreciate it if you left a comment down below. It helps with the algorithm. And if you leave a comment and hit the like button and even share it, that'd be great. It would help me get seen and get the algorithm to pick up the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I'm going to have more videos coming out on Facebook Marketplace, selling drop shipping on Facebook Marketplace, and you're not going to want to miss it.